In our third video in this series, we're doing conditional statements. In JavaScript, you can use conditional statements to execute code blocks based on a condition. Let's step into it. I'll put a short pause between each code snippet to give you time to pause and understand. First with the if statement. The if statement executes a block of code if the condition is true. In this example, the code checks if the age variable is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, it prints, "You are eligible to vote." Next is the if-else statement. This executes one block of code if the condition is true, and another if it's false. Here, if age is 18 or above, it prints, "You are eligible to vote." If not, it prints, "You are not eligible to vote." Then it's if-else statement, which handles multiple conditions. This code has multiple conditions to handle different age groups, printing a corresponding message for each. The ternary operator, which is shorthand for an if-else statement. This is a shorthand way of writing an if-else statement. If age is 18 or over, canVote gets the value eligible. Otherwise, it gets not eligible. Now we look at loops. There's a few different types, such as for loops or while loops. Loops are used to repeatedly execute a block of code. For loop executes a block of code a specific number of times. This loop prints numbers from 0 to 4. I starts from 0 and increments by 1 until it reaches 5. While loop executes a block of code as long as the condition is true. Similar to the for loop, but written using a while loop. It prints numbers from 0 to 4. Do while loop, similar to the while loop, but the code block is executed at least once, even if the condition is false. The do while loop prints 5 even though the condition j less than 5 is not met. Control structures are fundamental in programming as they allow you to create a logical flow in your code. Understanding how to use conditionals and loops in JavaScript enables you to write dynamic and responsive code that can adapt to different situations and inputs.